Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how we can change Facebook Marketplace location. So open your Facebook account, select Marketplace and open it. So on top right corner you can see your current location. So my current location is London, United Kingdom and the radius is 25 km square. So you can see all posts are from London. So now I will change my location. So tab change radius, or you can also write in search box. Now you can see search button and I will change my location to Bradford city. So Bradford, so you can see a lot of options, but I will select city of Bradford. Second option, city of Bradford, England, United Kingdom. So I will apply this and you can see suggested radius. You can zoom it. You can see nearby towns. You can also select custom radius. So I will select minimum radius. So I will apply it and you can see my current location is changed to the city of Bradford and radius is 1 km square. So all these posts are from Bradford city. So now I will change my location again. Now I will select Leeds. So you can see a lot of options, but I select first one, Leeds, England, United Kingdom. Apply, and now I will select a radius to 23 miles. So this radius 23 is in miles. I will apply it and my current location is changed to Leeds. So you can see the radius is 38 kilometer. In miles it's 23 kilometer, 23 miles, and in kilometers it's 38 kilometer. So all these posts are from Leeds city. So in this way you can change your marketplace location. So if you like, please subscribe.